Welcome to my Indian astrology. Today we will discuss about the infamous Manglik Dosha. Manglik Dosha is also known as Mangal Dosha or Kuja Dosha. When a person born with Mars position in any of the first, second, fourth, seventh, eighth or 12th house in his or her birth chart, then that person is called a Mangalik. Let's see the Mangalik position in the birth chart. So first house is Mars, second, fourth, seventh, eighth and 12th. Some astrologers in North India does not recognize the second position as Mangalik, but the South Indian astrologers recognize it as Manglik Dosha. What are the effects of Manglik Dosha? Unhappy married life, physical assault or violence from spouse, disturbance in professional life and financial life, problems with family members, delay in getting married, divorce with spouse, death of spouse. But don't worry, Manglik Dosha has no effect or minimal effect if spouse has Saturn placed in any of the first, fourth, seventh, eighth, 12th houses in birth chart. So, if your spouse has Saturn in, suppose in 8th house, then even if you are in Manglik Dosha, it will has no effect or minimal effect. Another point is, if Mars is weak or debilitated and benefic affliction. Suppose your Mars in 7th house, okay, in Cancer Lagna, and Jupiter placed in your first house, which is aspecting its 7th drishti on your 7th house, then also Manglik Dosha has no effect. Another point is Mars in movable sign, that is Aries, Cancer, Libra, Capricorn. So see, as I told before, if Mars in Cancer sign, that is debilitated, then also your Manglik Dosha has no effect. If Mars placed in 4th house in his own sign or Venus's sign. Suppose your Mars position in your 4th house in Libra sign, then also you have no Manglik Dosha. If Mars placed in sign of Mercury or Venus, suppose in your birth chart Mars placed in Gemini sign or Virgo sign, then also you have no Manglik Dosha. If Jupiter placed in 1st house or 7th house, and Jupiter should be strong. If Mars in conjunction with Jupiter, Moon or Mercury or aspect by them. So, if Mars is in conjunction with the benefic planets or aspected by the benefics, then also you have no Manglik Dosha. Another point is Mangal Dosha present in birth chart of both bride and groom. So, if you have Manglik Dosha in your birth chart and your spouse also has Manglik Dosha in your birth chart, then these Manglik Dosha has no effects. Another point is, if Mars is the lord of 8th house and placed in any of the 9th, 10th, 12th or 4th house, then also you have minimal or no effect of Manglik Dosha. And the last point is, if moon placed in Kendra or quadrant houses. That means if moon placed in your Lagna, the 4th house, or in the 7th house, or in the 10th house, then you have very minimal effect of Manglik Dosha. So these are all the points where Manglik Dosha has no effect or minimal effect, depends on your whole the birth charts. So this is the end of the video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.